Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to tell about Performance Analytics Hub. Okay, let's see our agenda, what we are going to cover in this topic. Okay, our agenda is what is Analytics Hub? Okay, why we use Analytics Hub? Okay, how we use Analytics Hub? Okay, when we use Analytics Hub. So we will see Analytics Hub details. Okay, how we will navigate to Analytics Hubs. Okay, in the analytical hub indicator list, how the indicator list are populated in analytics hubs. Okay, how to configure the indicator list. So all these things, and how we can explore the indicator trend and the trend visualizations. Okay, and overall how the analytics hub tool uh, uh, we can how to use the analytical tool. Okay, to compare or to see the data or to see everything. Okay, in details. Okay, and what is Analytics Hub? Analytics Hubs is like use the Analytics Hub to perform an in-depth analysis of indicator performance using summary statics, forecasting, breakdown navigation, and score comparison. Okay, so this is the meaning of Analytics Hub, but now we will see how Analytics Hub, how to navigate to Analytics Hub. Okay, how data we can see. Okay, how what all the scores, what all the trends, what all the threshold targets, comments, everything we can how we can see. Okay, so everything Analytical Hub. Okay, for example, in the performance analytics hub, you have Analytics Hub. Okay, go to the Analytics Hub. So from the Analytics Hub, you can open any indicator. Okay, for example, active number of resolved. Okay, percentage of incidents resolved by first assignment group. If you open this one, okay, so no score is there because the score is not generated for this one. I think so. That's the reason no score it is there. Okay, and go back. Percentage of new critical incident. Okay, for this, I think there are no data here. Okay, so that's the reason it is showing no score. Okay, so or percentage of open incident not updated in last 5 days. Okay, so there are 80%. Okay, so you can see all this is indicator hub. Okay, analytical hub. Okay, so we will see in detail what is this all these things in few minutes. Okay, so let's see. So in that way, one way is to open Analytical Hub, okay, Analytical Hub module, and from there you can open any indicator. Or if you go to any dashboard, okay, performance analytics dashboard, okay. Uh, Click on incident overview or anything, okay, where you have some in which dashboard you have the performance analytics data, all these things, okay. Incident open today, open incidents, okay, overdue incidents, not updated. Okay, so click on anything so that directly it will open. It is opening. This is a report, I think. So let's see any. So this is okay. So this is nothing but this. See incident management. Okay, click on incident management. So this is coming from performance analytics. Okay, click on this one. It will directly open Analytical Hub. Okay, it will directly open Analytical Hub. Okay, so one way is open the dashboards and click on any report. So it will open any performance analytical reports. Then it will open a Analytical Hub, or go to the Analytical Hub module directly and open any indicators. Other way is the open any automated indicators. Okay, search whatever the indicator you want, like incident or anything. Okay, I'm searching with incident, number of opened since last 24 hours. Okay, something like that. Okay, and the related link you have show analytical hub. Okay, show analytics hub. Okay, so click on show analytics hub. So it opens analytics hub. Okay. So that is how we can navigate to Analytics Hub. Okay, now let's see in Analytics Hub module. Okay, click on Analytics Hub module, and you see here the list. Okay, and you see the banner is like best, worst, improved, degraded, all. So all is there. Okay, so what are these things? Okay, what are star and what are these dots? Okay, so we will see all these things. Okay, so coming to this one, okay, so you see all means all indicators, show all indicators. This best means it will show the indicators, okay, which are performing good. Okay, so for example, now there are no indicators of performing best. I mean, that means which is in green, okay, which is in green score. Okay, which is in green, so that means the best, and it will sort with green, the best best option one and second best and third best or something like that. It will sort in the direction. And the worst is which is not performing well. Okay, which goes in the red. Okay, in the red line. Okay, so we don't have anything right now in the system, so that's the reason we don't have anything. Okay, improved means which are in from improving their scores. Red means it is like worst. Okay, red means it is not performing good. Green means it is performing better or best. Okay, so improved means from red to green, which are the indicators coming from red score to green score. Okay, so those are called improved. And degraded means it's like uh, from best to worst. Okay, from like which are degrading, like from green to red it is moving, so that is called degraded. And all means all the indicators with respect to scores. Okay, all these things will be calculated. Okay, and so you can see here these are favorites. Okay, these are favorites. If you want to make any favorite, so click on the star. Okay, so that is favorite. And if you want to filter with favorites, click on star. So all the star list will be shown, all the favorites. Okay, all the favorites will be shown. So this is is a key indicator. Is a key indicator. So that means it's an you can perform, you can filter with only key indicators. Okay, how I can perform the key indicators? Key indicators means that is something important indicator you need to verify. Okay, so all this time, so that is called key indicators. Okay, so you have the list settings here. So if you want to search with key indicators, okay, filter, you have filter conditions. Click on search key indicators. You will see only key indicators. Okay, or if you add it like with a target. Okay, you can set filters like which have key indicators, which have with a target. Okay, which are formula indicators. Okay, click on this one on how many are the formula indicators we have. Okay, we have automated indicators, manual indicators, and formula indicators. You can figure it out which are formula indicators, which are manual indicators. Okay, if you have any manual indicators, it will show manual indicators. Okay, or if not, if you want to select with the breakdown source. Okay, for example, we created a incident subcategory in the previous uh, video. So if you select incident category only, we have, because we use only this breakdown source in one indicator called number of open incidents. Okay, number of open incidents. In that way, you can filter out, you can filter the list. Okay, so columns means nothing but here the names, cohort, change, trend. So all these are called columns. So what columns you can show here? Okay, so all these things like change, okay, trend, okay, bullet chart if you want to enable, you want date, if you want set target, okay, gap, frequency, direction, okay. So all these things, okay, will be shown. Okay, so here change means nothing but the previous score and the present score is the change. And trend, how the trend shows. You see, some for something it is like it goes like a graph, and for some it is like horizontal line. Okay, and this is a bullet means which have a target, those are called bullet. Okay, so let me disable the filter if I have anything, no filters are enabled. Okay, so if I can sort with target also. Okay, so there is no targets defined, there is no target defined. I can set with trend also. So, okay, trend is like going on and it's all straight lines. Okay, so change also I can sort with different things. I can sort with the direction, I can sort with the frequency, okay, or gap or anything. Okay, so like this, if you don't want any columns to show, okay, you can remove the columns from the list. Okay, from the list you can show percentage also, okay, by clicking on percentage of change percentage. Okay, so all these things you can show. And here you can filter with an filter with the name if you have like incident um, open or something. Okay, incident group, it comes as incident group or incident open. So all the groups with incident open you can see here. Okay, number of incident, so you can search with number of open incident. Okay, name contains number of open. It gives as name contains a number of open. So that is how um, uh, you can filter, or you can add columns, or you can apply some conditions to show the indicators list. Okay, so that is how it is. Okay, that is how it is. It's shown. Okay, so now let's see. Let's open any indicator. Okay, for example, number of incidents, number of open incidents. Okay, or number of new incidents or something. Okay, number of open. Okay, I'm searching in global search. Sorry. Here, number of open incidents. Okay, so number of open incidents you can see. Now we see we have different options here. Okay, what it is, what it is, what it is, what it is. Okay, we don't know. Okay, so now we will explore these things. Okay, so this is nothing but a banner frame. Okay, this is called a banner frame. So this is nothing but a banner frame. Banner frame. Okay. Let me write it here. Anywhere like okay. So let me search this one. Okay, so this is called a banner frame. Okay, so all these are called banner frame. Okay, so this is targets in the banner frame, this is threshold, okay, and this is comment. Okay, so if you have any targets, it will, if you click on any targets, okay, you can create a new target. Okay, in the new target you can set a global and personal targets. Okay, in the global targets, this will be shown to all the users. Personal, this will be shown only to you. Okay, that is called global target. Target is nothing but if something, for example, here you have a number of open incident is 40. Okay, so it will, for example, if you have like number of per month per day is number of incidents is like 50 or 60, so you can set a target by clicking on that. Okay, set the target as improvement of the baseline. Okay, or something like that. Target is anything you define there. Okay, new target or anything, or okay, like target I will define as 60. Okay, when it will start? It will start on uh, December 24th. Okay, today. And the review date is review when I will review it. Okay, I will review it on December 26th. Okay, so something you can set a target. Okay, so you see the target is coming from today. Okay, today 60. Okay, or something. This is target. This is global target I have created. So global target with a black mark, black. Okay, personal target is with the gray color. For example, if I select like 70 is my personal target, and which starts from today. Which starts from today, and the review date is on 26th. Okay, and save it. So you see, the difference between the global target and personal target, you can identify. Global target is with dark black color, and this one is in gray color, personal. Okay, so that is how you can identify it. Okay, so users can with the PA power users can create global targets, and any users with which is having PA admin or PA users or something, so they can create their own personal target. Okay, so that's target. And let me, and this is a threshold. Threshold is nothing but like, for example, if it is something, it is crossing the limit, beyond the limit. Okay, and something it is mm, it is lower the limit, or that is a boundaries. Okay, so then you can create a new target, all time high, or all time low, or less than, or more than, or something like all time high. If I create and save, okay, all time high is 40. Okay, all time high is 40. Okay, if I want to remove, I can remove it, and I can create a new threshold, and more than 90 is my threshold. Okay, so you can see the thresholds are represent with a dotted line. With a dotted line, I will create an threshold less than 30. Okay, so that is my threshold. This is my threshold. So those are called thresholds. Okay, so comments. Comments is like nothing but today. If I add a new comment on December 23rd. Okay, so okay, I'm okay on this comment. Okay, one new comment is added on December 23rd. You can see 24th and 23rd. Okay, so let me select a date range and apply. So you can see a comment on yesterday record. Uh, so a comment here. Here I have added a comment, so you can see the comment here. Okay, that is comment called okay. Okay, you can see the comment okay. Okay, so like that you can see the comments. Okay, or create a new comment, or remove the comment. If you don't want to, you can remove the comment. Okay, let it be there for now. Okay, so that is, and this is info. Okay, so this is info. So info is like what is the description of this indicator, calendar using frequency, direction, forecast. Okay, tags, incident open. So what are the tags and what are the scores? Here it is chronological order, we will say. Okay, so this is like December 22, how many tickets? Okay, this is like on December 1st, how many tickets we have. And here it is a list view. Okay, here in the list view from October 23rd to December 22nd and yesterday. Okay, so how many incidents are there? So I think there are no new incidents are created from that time, because this is a new instance. So that's the reason. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay. Yeah, so that's info. So this is a banner frame. Okay, you can see I have typed in here banner. So under banner, targets, thresholds, comments, and info. Okay, and this is show records. For example, show records. If I click on show records, so all these 40 records will be shown. Okay, what are those incidents? Okay, 40 records will be shown here. Okay, so if we hide records, it will show the graph again. Okay, so this is a date range, from which date range to which date range you want. Okay, so December 1st to December 29. So you can see December 1st to December 29. Or if you select December 1st to December 15th, okay, so it will show December 15th record. So this is called a date range. This is called a date range. Okay, so here we created the review, target all these things, right? So from December 24th. So that's the reason. Okay. Okay. Uh, this is a static ribbon. This is called a static ribbon. How do you pronounce static statistic ribbon? Okay, statistics ribbon. So this shows you can adjust the date. Okay, or for example, so you can see here the data is changing. For example, if I click on this one and this one, so the statistics ribbon, okay, November 3 to. So using this ribbon also, using this date range, you can adjust, or this ribbon, you can adjust from November 3 to November 14th, or if you want November 11. Yeah, so this is the static range, static ribbons range. Okay, and this is summary info. We call it as summary info. Okay, SU summary info. We call this as summary info. In this summary info, this is the indicator name, number of open incidents we have, indicator name. Okay, and today at 13, okay, or something like that. Okay, date, today's date and time we have. Okay, and yeah. So this is the score. Okay, this is the score. Okay, number of open incident. What are how many number of open incident we have today score. Okay, using a daily frequency here. You can see here this is a time series. Okay, daily frequency we have. Okay, and this is a gap. Okay, this is a change, and this is a gap we have. Okay, a percentage, change percentage, and something. Okay, so all these things. And this is chart options we have called chart options. Okay, CHART chart option. Okay, so chart option. In chart option is number of scores. How many scores are there? Okay, from November 3 to November 11. How many days? 9 days. Okay, so 9 scores. Okay, sum. How many from those incidents? Sum. Okay, 360. Change. What is the change between the November 3 and November 11? Change and change percentage. Average, minimum, maximum, median. Okay, so if you click on this one, show standard deviation also, you can see. Okay, what all these things. Okay, all these things. Okay, for example, if you don't want to show the chart options like a minimum, maximum, median, all these things, you can do in Analytics Hub. For example, click on edit indicator, and here you have statics exclusion. So excluded statics. Okay, so if you don't want to show standard deviation or minimum, median or maximum or something like that, and save it and save it. So unsave it. So you see now you don't see anything. Okay, so you can see only the average, all these things. Okay, so simple. Okay. Okay, so this is a breakdowns, breakdowns, how we can figure it out. Okay, so this is subcategory. I want to see only email incidents, okay, or urgencies incident. Okay, so that depends upon medium, low, okay, number of incidents. Okay, depends. Or priority. Okay, so how many incidents you have based on priorities. So you can add breakdowns. Okay, in the previous case we discussed about the breakdowns. So the same thing. Okay, breakdowns. Here we have the other options. Okay, these are chart options. Okay, this is statics ribbon. Okay, this is called chart options. Okay, this is a full chart statistics ribbon. This is statistics ribbon. We call it as okay statistics ribbon. Okay, and this is chart options. Okay, called chart options. Okay, so targets. Okay, for example, if I select the date from November, December 22nd to 29, 22nd to 29, 22nd to 29. Okay, and you can see the targets are available. If you don't want to see the targets, click on targets. You will not see the targets. Okay, if you want to see the targets, it will show. Okay, the same threshold also. If you don't want, dotted lines are removed. Okay, and comments. Okay, for example, we have comment on some incident. Okay, like for example, if I click on um, date range between 22nd, let's select target, then we will get it. Okay, so then we have a comments. If you don't want to comments, you can toggle off the comment by clicking on this one. And this is a trend line. Okay, this is a trend line. So trend, this is a indicator score. Okay, we don't have trend line. Trend line is represented with orange color. Okay, generally trend line and number of scores are same, so that's the reason we don't have, but it will show you the direction. Like if the incidents are going to increase, it will show like this, the trend line, and if the incidents are going to decrease, and it will show this one. Okay, so based upon the for example, let's do one thing. Okay, go to incidents, let's create some incidents. Okay, go to incident and create new. Call our able tutor, test one, save. Okay, test two, copy incident. Okay, test three, copy incident. Okay, or something like that, save. Next, copy incident, save. So three incidents we created it, and let's go to edit indicator, and let's run the daily job. Okay, let's run the daily job. For example, we have a daily data collection job. Okay, so let's remove 0, add 0. Okay, today's data it will collect from. Okay, let's add 1, and it is today. Okay, and save and execute now, and let's go to show analytical hub. So you see now December 22nd and yesterday and today. Okay, now total incident is 43, and you see this is increased. So that is 3%. From yesterday it is 0, 40, and now it is 43. So that is 3, and the change percentage is 10.5 percentage. So number of scores is 3. And the target is 60, and the gap is 17. You can see 17. Why? Because the target is like 60. We have from today it is 60, the target, and the gap is 17 because 43 to 60 is 17. Okay, so we are in green here. Okay, it is performing good. If it is a meeting like outside, then it will be changed to red. But the change is in decrease, increase in red, because the indicator direction is minimize direction. It should reduce the incident count. Instead of it should reduce, it is going in maximize direction. So that's the reason it is showing as a it is showing in red. For example, let me select today's point. Okay, so that is why it is showing. Okay, so okay, so that is how. Okay, that is why. And okay, so you can see the confidence band also. So you can see confidence band. For example, I will disable the target. So the confidence band is between this one. This how the prediction band is 23 to 59, confidence band is 32 to 50. Okay, so that's how the confidence band. And you can see the forecast also. Forecast is like the future of the how in upcoming days. Okay, the incidence can increase or decrease, or okay, so it can decrease because based upon the current data, it will calculate the forecast. Okay, forecast. Let's disable it. Let's disable the trend also. You can see the trend, how it is moving the trend. Okay, trend line, that is. Okay, if you want to enable labels, so if you enable labels, then you can see 43, 40, 40. If you disable. Okay, if you have year over year, if you have past year data, you can collaborate year by year, like 2023, 2022, how the year it is. Okay, something like that. And it is a score. Okay, there is no score, no data. Okay, change. It's like what is the change? Like here it is 0, 0, and 3. Okay, you can see 40, 40, and 43. That is change. Okay, percentage in the percentages it will be shown. Okay, so some other visualizations in graph line. Okay, so that's how. Okay, so on another one, on the main thing is time series. Okay, so you have time series reports or all these things. So based on, for example, this is like sum. Okay, total incidents. Okay, daily incidents. I need from last 7 days what is total incident 283. It will calculate total incidents from last 7 days. Okay, so from last 28 days running, so how many incidents we have? Okay, of number of open incidents 123. Okay, so something. Okay, and if you have some average, okay, so 7 days running average, what is 40 is the average per day, it is 40. Okay, something like that. Okay. And for example, you can select a fiscal quarter sum. Okay, you can select by week average, okay, or by month average, okay, or month to date. Okay, it's a month to date. Okay, like December 22nd to today. Okay, so month to date, year to date. Okay, so you can add it. Okay, you can create all these time series while creating the time series report. Okay, daily. Okay, because you can see here on December 22nd, 40 incidents are there, open incidents. Okay, score, it will calculate score. Okay, total how many? 40 incidents total. Okay, so something like that. For example, 7 day running days, 283 incidents. Okay, you can show records. Okay, you can see 43 only. Okay, but 43, but the scores are showing as 283. Okay, the reason is here what we are doing. So edit indicator. So you are showing the count. You can see count distinct. Okay, count distinct field based on this ID. Then it will show you the correct data. 7 days running sum. So you need to execute the jobs again. So to show it the sum. Okay, to show the sum. Show records. It will show all the records. but it is showing number of open records only. Okay, number of open records because number of open incidents. Okay, so on for example okay, and daily, go to daily. Okay, so next one is compare. Okay, I will hide it. Compare records. Okay, and today not yesterday and today. Yesterday there are 40 incidents and today there are 43 incidents. On December 23rd we have 43 incidents moved out since December 23. Okay, from December 23 is 0, nothing was closed. Okay, and shared with today's data 40 and moved in December 24 is 3. 3 new tickets are created on December 24. Okay, so total incidents like shared with plus 3. Okay, so that is called December 24 43. Okay, 43 incidents you can see here. Okay, so that is how you can compare. Okay, you can see the change percentage, gap, target. Yesterday we don't have any target, so that is the reason we don't have anything. So we set the target from today itself, so that's the reason. Okay, again overview. So compare will be available only on automated indicators. Okay, automated indicators, not on manual indicators or anything. Okay, so here in the show functions list, okay, you can edit scores, you can remove from favorite if you want, you can export to PDF, save as chart, okay, launch dependency assessment, okay, all these things. If you click on edit scores, you can see what are the scores on December 18, 14, 17. If you are adding 7 days earning average, so that is, it will add all these things. Okay, so if you want to edit anything, you can click on edit it. Okay, but for automated indicators or formula indicators, we will not agree, we will not do anything. Okay, we will not create or we will not edit these things, because if you edit anything, the score will be vary. Okay, only for the manual indicators we will add the scores manually. Okay, so that is how. Okay, so that's about Analytics Hub overview. Okay, how we can see this Analytics Hub. Okay, how we can use chart options, frequency ranges, targets. Okay, comparison, comments, all these things. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you. Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.